What's up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, aka known as the Audio Cat, with another great day at the shop, man. We're very grateful for everything that's going on. The difference with me is see if y'all can follow me. If when I do what I do, when I'm doing it, I do like if I'm doing it for TV, y'all. But man, we're over here another day, man, at the shop. We got a great day going on. We got some upgrades going on. We got my beautiful Mopar over there. He's got a clean Mopar. We actually did a full upgrade for his vehicle. You're gonna see him pulling it in a minute. We actually customized the woofer from the back of his vehicle. They come with that kicker, Solar Barrack Square series, like an L5. We did an L7, he blew them out a couple times. So we're actually taking that whole bad boy out and doing a Nemesis woofer in a custom box. So we took the factory woofer and box anyway, the assembly, and we actually customized it and did it done. But the day's rolling pretty good, man. We got this beautiful thing right here for an Alkalock, but this is what I like over here, man. It's one of my long-term customers, and I want y'all to see this. He had a brand new Escalade, y'all. Brand new Escalade, and he traded in for this Dodge Ram. Now my question is, when you're driving an Escalade and going to a Ram, why would you do it? In reality, Dodge has killed the game, and I'm gonna walk you through this one a little bit. They have really killed the game with the way that they built these trucks and what they're doing with these trucks, man. They have really done a whole different thing on it. I'm not be honest with you, I love them a lot. I almost bought one of these bad boys myself, and I'm still thinking about doing the same thing. I'm just a little worried about getting into another car payment when I don't have to do it, you know what I'm saying? But in reality, I do love the truck, man. They made them really beautiful. They made them really clean. They're doing really good with these things, and it's pretty amazing what they do, man. We got my daddy's car here. We got my tinner in here. Tinner, go see what he's doing up in there. This is Mr. Raul Olea. He's the master tinner, so we're gonna check out what he's doing. He's the professional at what he do. Y'all see this right here? The tin is not installed yet. Y'all see these marks? The tin is actually over here. So he does the cutting and shrinking and all that kind of stuff. He gets it all cleaned up, but this is when they come out. When they're getting done, he's actually working on down. You see the bubbles? So he's working on these to get it all cleaned out, man. He's been with me for almost 9 years. He's a great tinner. And we're just doing what we have to do. And let's just go see what else is going on at the shop, man. If we roll, we're missing Drew today. He got sick, got some kind of stomach virus. Got my son here following me, my tail. But we just checking out everything that goes on as we get it situated. I'm gonna show you what's going on with Trainnee's car. He's a good customer. I called him. We actually custom made him a box. Go see what's in the front. But we're gonna show y'all what's going on. So on this vehicle here, pop it open here, Trainee. But this is what's going on, man. We installed him a Nemesis amplifier. He keeps on blowing out this woofer. We've already replaced the woofer with a couple of L7s. So we just decided not to play with this kicker no more, man. In my personal opinion, I don't want y'all to get mad, but kicker's not exactly what it used to be. So I just decided to upgrade him and do a Nemesis. So I actually got another box and we custom made it for him, and I'm gonna show you what it looked like. In fact, I'm gonna show him because he hasn't even seen it yet himself. So let me go grab this box for him. Wherever my guy put it here, it's been a long puppy. All this is garbage. All this you can throw it away happily. Let me go see what Trainee's box is. I know it's back here somewhere. I'll come back. Because this is basically a factory enclosure, and we actually modified it from being a square woofer. As you can see in here, we did some round rings, fiberglassed it into the unit, wrapped it up so it looks more factory than possible, and now he can be able to get a real woofer. I know he's waiting for that one. I can't wait to get it done too, man, but we got this one going situated. So we're gonna get this one together for him real quick and get him situated, make sure it sounds good and tuned up, but I don't think he'll be blowing any more woofers now that he's going with the Nemesis audio, something that's real and real good in power. But we're gonna get that one going in there. Let's see what's going on. So Trainee comes up to me and says, Jeff, do me a favor, honk my horn. Let's check this out. You gotta have the ignition on Mopar, but I want y'all to listen to it. Listen. Can't hear that. You can't hear that. What's wrong with Trainee? Cause beat anybody hear that? They can't hear that. Look, let's see this. We're about to take care of that problem for him today. We're about to make sure that it's louder. And I'm about to start going to install on his subwoofer box, and let's get that going. In fact, look, I'm gonna have the client come and hold this here and record me while I rip this stuff open and get it going. Watch this. Alrighty, so now, that's what a subwoofer should look like. That's I'm gonna compare this to y'all for the kicker. So this is gonna be going in here now. So now, when we get done with it, this is kind of what it's gonna look like, y'all. So you're gonna have a Nemesis audio woofer, and y'all can tell the difference. Look at this magnet compared to our little kicker. I'll continue this in a few seconds to show y'all what it's gonna come out like. We got another customer came in. He had a lighting problem, man. He's an older man. Came to the shop, said, I can't see. So we said, you know what, we know how to fix that problem for him. We took off the stock top ones. I'm about to do the bottom ones to give him full LED setup so he can have some vision at night. We got the guys over here rocking and roll. We got Mr. Army Vet helping us today. He just came in to give us some support.
What up, y'all?
So he's actually learning how to do radio. We're gonna be training and teaching him because he might replace Drew. Did I say that on camera? But anyway, he learned to do this here. We got this guy fixing Josh, the lights there. And this is kind of what it looks like in AUDIOZONE right now. We got this one here, this one here, this one there, Mazda, Corolla. We got all these cars coming in here, man. AUDIOZONE, God's been good to us. And the funnier part is this one right here. As y'all was seeing yesterday, we were talking to Mr. Drew about he's losing his fog light. Now this is a Brabus fog light from Mercedes-Benz. They sell this kit for $800. Guys, $800. He was gonna have to buy it and replace it because he couldn't find it. Today we found it. We're gonna surprise him and prank him with it later.
I think we should play a prank on him.
I think we should. You know what? Yo, but this guy already told him that it was here. That's what the bad part. If he didn't, I would have pranked.
We thought it was that.
You took a picture, sent it to him?
Matter of fact, we could say
Huh?
bro.
Oh, he didn't take a picture. Cause you know what? I'm a prank bad boy. Remember he got me back with that Cadillac? I think it's time to get him back now. So I'm gonna think about one.
Here they get you.
So this is what happened, y'all. Look at the factory woofer. We replaced it for this guy 2 times. Kicker L7, top of the line from Kicker, solar barrack, blows him out. Don't last. Hate it. Finally did a real upgrade with the Nemesis audio. And look what we're installing right now, because that's the subwoofer. We got our boy Josh here right now doing the wire schematic. We're getting it situated. I cannot wait to hear this and see what it comes out like. But we also got this other car here that just came in. But this is a Nissan. This is for the dealership from Freeman Mazda. They're having a problem with it. They're having no audio. Even the Mazda dealership brings us cars, man. That's how big God has blessed us to be, man. You see that guy over there? Y'all know him as Little John, but now he's Big John. He got bigger over the years, you know what I'm saying? Retired, no more music. He said, yeah! You know what I'm saying? He just voice change and everything. This one here, they brought it to me. Doesn't have no audio. We don't know why, but we're about to figure it out. I'm about to have an Army vet go. I'm kind of guiding Army vet on what he could be doing, man. See if he can learn it, because he might be the next tech here. AUDIOZONE got the perfect shirt on too. Look what you need to do here, Army vet. Let's find out what's going on. To start, let's find out what they did before. So we need to get down here, in the radio, and down here. Take those 2 panels off, take everything apart, and let's see what happens from there. We can see, we can figure out what happened there. So y'all, it got hectic here, man. We got that car there with the horn, music upgrade, underglow fix, Mazda repair, full system. Ended up doing a 4-channel amp, mono block amplifier, radio swap. We took out the consoles and everything on this bad boy. Got this one going, got an Alcalock monitor, got a RGB underglow, got alarm system. That silver truck you see over there, that's gonna be for a window tint and another system, Malibu for a system, another carpet tint. Man, it's just crazy over here, man. God be the glory for the blessing He's given us, man. But that's how it gets here, man. So we just want to thank everybody for giving us the support and loving our shop and giving us the business, man. So y'all, we got this one here. Army Vet is actually rolling here today, man. Listen, say something to everybody, Army Vet, because we surprised. I cannot believe he's doing what he's doing, man. Look, he took the console apart of this car already, got the back seats removed. We're about to do a 4-channel on a monoblock. Seats are off, everything's getting here. We have over here, guys, the Challenger, I'm sorry. He's working on the horns right now. I'll show you that. But I'm gonna show y'all back here how the sub came out being installed, to see what y'all think about it. We did all this stuff to this car already before. But look at this, y'all. So we have that custom built Nemesis subwoofer amplifier right in the corner, fiberglass with the Nemesis amplifier. Nice and clean, simple, good to go, ready to ride. And this bad boy can be coming out of here very shortly. But we got Mr. Josh working over here on the train horn, little mini train horn kit that's gonna be installed because the horns really suck. So he installed a compressor here. He got a nice little gap right there to run the wires through, which is perfect. He's running the wires, the tubes, the horns are right there. We're about to hear that in a few seconds, see how that comes out, y'all. So everybody rock and rolling, we're doing our thing, AUDIOZONE. All right, Josh just got finished installing the horn. We're going to turn it on and see what it sounds like. All right, y'all, so we're gonna do the demo now, see what it sounds like, see how it works. Get the hell out, do it again. It's a lot louder than it was before, man. Challenger on its way out, continue with the next project. So we got my little man over here learning how to run the shop, man. He wants to be in the back, but I'm teaching him the front. He's charging Mr. Trainee right now, getting him situated with his transaction. Trainee, you've heard everything so far. How are you happy, man?
Great. Every time I come and leave, I'm happy coming and leaving.
Man, that's what we're glad, man. We try to do the best we can to serve you guys, man. We are human, so sometimes things do happen, but we're gonna make sure that no matter what happens, we make it right for you and get you 100% happy, man. So I'm gonna go roll with the guys. You just heard the Hemi turn on, and she's on her way out. Woo! All right, y'all, so now you can see Humpty Dumpty's coming together again. We got our guy here putting bad boy together. They came from being pieces to coming together. You guys see the subwoofer box installed, seats are back in, door panels are back in, radio's back in, everything's coming together. This was coming out. We also got this one over here. This one, Josh got it situated. She's coming back out right now. We should be having Victor in a minute. Boxes installed, amps are hidden, wires are clean. You don't see absolutely nothing. He's just on the base right now. We are completely gone. Guys, I just want to tell you guys, thank you guys for always watching, man. Thank you guys truthfully for the support. We cannot do this without you, man. We're really grateful that you guys have supported us the way you do, and thank for those that are with us, man. Don't forget to share this channel with the friends that you like, man. If you're in the car audio game, share it with your friends and family, man. And always feel free to comment below. We want to know what you guys think and what you guys feel, man. We want to do the best that we can for you guys. Y'all be good. God bless.